Guten Morgen allerseits. I'm just recording this video just as a little bit of a reminder of what you need to do with your city research, your DienstagKlasse research page. So most of you have already done this bit here. Okay, DienstagKlasse, just getting some information there. And your next part is to devise an itinerary. So if you were going to this town, where would you stay, what would you do, etc. So I'm just going to show you a couple of these. It's not full on German at the moment, you're just finding out information. You can put German in as you find it. So here we've got Frankfurt, oder Frankfurt sollte ich sagen, and it's very basic. Got Germany's flag, got the picture of Frankfurt, Freiburg, that's the wrong one, sorry. So if we go with, open with Google Slides, sorry. And here we go. So let's have a look at what Darren has done here. So if we just go to present, we can see now that Frankfurt was his town. Got some sites there, he's got a little bit of information. You don't need to write that much. Things to do, you can visit the Frankfurt Zoo. Where can you stay? The Bristol Hotel in Frankfurt. Places to eat, name some good restaurants that are typical for that region. Okay. So if we come out of that one, and let's have a look at Freiburg. Freiburg's a very nice place. Open it up. This is just for you to get an idea of what we're looking at, what sort of things that you can put onto yours. Okay. So let's press view, present. Okay, so die schöne Stadt Freiburg. Quick facts, travel, accommodation, food, sightseeing, activities to do. You get the idea there. Okay, so there's some exemplars for you. Okay, and they were posted last week. Alright, I hope you had a look at this guy here. He's very funny. He's one of my heroes. Alright. And hier we had Janae's Geburtstag war am Freitag oder am 12. Und dann gestern, das habe ich jetzt, das Google Forms. Be useful if you could do that as soon as possible. I'm able to actually get into school and get the booklets that I made all on DienstagKlasse. So if you want them, I'll go and get them, but I'm only going to do that if you want them. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on here. Geburtstags Wünsche, Grüße, and Taylor. Happy birthday, Taylor. Okay, so if you could be working on that, but also on the Quizlet vocabulary. Alright, die Stadt Saarbrücken. I'm going to post a PowerPoint on here and go over the vocabulary that I want you to be learning and practicing. Okay, Any queries, just let me know via email or private comments or even class comments on Google Classroom. Tschüss!